I started using Davinci Resolve about 3 months ago now, maybe 4. But when I first started, I didn't know anything about Davinci Resolve. I had to look up a lot of YouTube videos, a lot, just to learn the basics of it. In this video, I want to show you guys how easy it is to edit in Davinci Resolve and the fastest way to edit on there. So basically, this is how to edit a video in Davinci Resolve 101 for dummies. First, we're going to open up Davinci Resolve. It doesn't matter if you have the new version, Davinci Resolve Studio 16 or Davinci Resolve 16. Doesn't matter, you can download any of it. One of them's free and the other one you have to pay for. Once Davinci Resolve open, you'll see the project file here. Here's the new folder. If you want to create a new folder there, you click it, name it, and then that's it. You put your project that you're making into that folder. For example, I usually put my new folder and I'll put review as the folder title. And I'll put all my videos that I review gadgets on, or gears or phones or cameras, backpack, into that folder. Same thing if I title the folder vlog, I'll put all my vlogging folder in there. You guys name it and organize it as you go. Today, we're only gonna make a new project, and this one, I'm gonna title it test. Once the program open, it looks like this. There's a lot of tabs. Today, we're only gonna concentrate on 2, edit and deliver. But first, before I continue, I wanna show you guys one thing. This bottom right button down here, it looks like a home button. It is a home button. Right there, you click it and that's how you go back. I had trouble finding this button for a long time. How to create a new project, I had no idea. Down there. And then you can close this out to continue your own project. We're gonna go back to edit. Over here on the left, you'll see master. This is the master right here. If you right click and press add bin, you'll add a new folder. You can also do the same by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N on a PC, Option Control on a Mac. So I'm gonna delete that second bin and I'm just gonna use the first bin. I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna name this one main for main videos. Actually, I'm gonna add another one and put songs. Now we open up a folder that has all our contents in there. Once you have the folder, you drag it into your program. Right here, you can put it in main or you can put it on song. If you drop it in main, it will ask you this, and I usually just press change. Let's just keep it at that for now. While I'm here, I'm gonna add in a song as well. There you go, we have the song and we have the main video. Now, to edit this whole thing is super simple. We're gonna drag this down to the timeline. It doesn't matter if you put it here next to the wall or here at all. All you have to do is click on the blank side and hit delete. Now we're gonna play the video and cut out the parts that we don't like. There it is, I found exactly where I wanna cut. You press B for the blade tool. You go over the clip, right where the red line is. If you click it, that's where you're gonna cut. Hit A and select that clip you want to get rid of, hit delete. That's it. We're gonna move on.
Sony just did something that none of us expected.
I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna move it over here. I'm making this fast and very simple for you guys. I don't want to go through the whole edit and make you guys watch this. So let's pretend I don't like this part. You hit blade, you cut it, you hit A, select it, delete. Now you continue this for the entire length of the video. Just scroll down and do the whole thing. Once you get to the very end, for example, pretend we are at the very end. That's it. I only like these 2 clips. These are amazing. It's gonna be 1,000,000 views. The best 2 clips I've ever chosen. So now all I need is just the song, the right song, right? Let's listen to this. Sounds alright. Yeah, I'm gonna drag this in. You can play through the music here. But if you can see, the clip is really long and I want to see the entire audio. Right here, there's a minus and there's a plus. You can minus this all the way down till you see the entire clip, or you can hold Alt and scroll in with the wheel, scroll out. I like the ending, so I'm gonna delete the rest and it's gonna pull in for me. I'm gonna make it so it can fit my clip. There it is. I'm gonna hit out again and wheel in. There it is, you guys.
Sony just did something that none of us expected.
So amazing, so amazing. Problem? It's too loud. The music is too loud and I barely can hear myself. What you can do, hit the audio, go up here where inspector is, hit that, and then lower the volume right there. About 15, 16. There you go.
Sony just did something that none of us expected.
Great. If it's too low, you can bring it back up a little bit. Now we're done. Let's pretend we're finished. The whole video is perfect. We're not gonna talk about Fusion, Color, or Fairlight. We're just gonna go straight to deliver and click on YouTube right here on the top left. And name it today, I'm gonna name it Test. Browse, I'm gonna put this thing on the desktop and I'm gonna save it. Right down here at format, I'll put that at MP4 because sometimes I do put this thing on Instagram as well, and MP4 seems to work with Instagram a lot better than QuickTime. Scrolling down, I leave everything else the same. I don't upload directly to YouTube, so make sure that's unchecked. I add this thing to render queue. Once it's here, all you have to do is hit the start render button. Because this is only a really short clip, it's already done. For the sake of this video, I wanted to make it really fast. Now, all I have to do is go to the file and open it.
Sony just did something.
There's my video. Look at that. Amazing video. The best video I have ever seen. Definitely need to hit that thumbs up button. This is a really quick tutorial on how to use Davinci Resolve if you have never used an editing program before, or if you want to get started with Davinci Resolve. It's free, so I don't see why not. It's such a great program. I'll show you guys what the other menu does in a future video. But for now, I hope you guys like this one. Leave it in a comment below what you guys think and if you guys want to see more videos like this. Other than that, catch you guys later. Hey you guys, if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button. It should be right there with the circle. My face is on it. And if you guys want to see more videos from me, it's up there. Check them out. Right there. Right there. Or this one. That one's good too.